Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. Just wanted to let you all know that, today is, a special day because, but tomorrow's gonna be even special because I'm going to the VIU to do a little scavenger hunt. So if you guys want to come and join and, do a scavenger hunt, that's great. I just wanted to show you guys the weather, if I can get this to work. That, outside, that is horrible weather. Horrible weather. As you can see, we'll close this up. That is somewhat horrible weather. So just letting you all know that this is Monkey Man 12. Today I'm busy, so I'm not going to be recording a long time. So, yeah, to be honest, I'm just not gonna be around for a very long time, and tomorrow I will not be. Actually, I'll think about it. But also tomorrow is the Halloween party at the Nanaimo Child Development Center, a center where disability kids and other needs go. Yeah, so just make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and then once it hits to 200, it should be able to, yeah, so I'll give you guys, it has already passed it, so I'm gonna give you guys, 40 seconds to get out of my channel. So, okay, it has been 40 seconds. I'll turn the recording device off so that I could charge my tablet. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and, well, and share. Share with all the networks but Snapchat. So any networks that I don't want you to share, most videos you could share with Snapchat, but a few don't, please. So, goodbye.